have very interesting subcompact, extra small pistol from CZ, from Češka's Bloka. You can see on the box. This is the model 92 in caliber, 6.35mm Browning. And we are going to show you the design and how to disassemble this weapon, and later on, if you stay with our channel, we will show you how to shoot with this weapon. It's empty, we always check if there is no round in the chamber, and then nice and easy, we pull back a little bit the slide, and we have to turn the barrel until we feel that everything is unlocked, and then we remove the slide with the barrel together. When you turn it upside down, we easily remove the spring and the rod. Then we have to take out this very tiny, very small barrel. Really a baby pistol. And if I remember well, the pistol was double action only. Am I correct?
Yes.
Double action only. The hammer is very hidden in a working position, so we cannot cock the hammer in a rear position. And the other very interesting specific thing for this weapon is that we don't have classical sights on it. We have like a line, like a groove, and we align it with the target to aim. Of course, this is not a pistol that we usually shoot 20 or more meters. It's just to draw point in and shoot few rounds. Very basic, simple mechanism, extremely compact weapon. You can carry in pocket, in some hidden places, and we have here, we're not going to continue, it's enough just for first visual information about this weapon. And the good point with this is that it's stainless steel and you don't worry about rust. And here, as you can see, if there is a magazine, you can actually work with the mechanism, but if there is no magazine, you cannot do it. Without magazine, can we pull the trigger without magazine? No, but hammer is not activated. And the way we reassemble it's absolutely opposite way. Grip. It's really tricky to put back the barrel. You have to turn it to lock it. Put this not fixed, let's say, recoil spring assembly. You have to match it with the hole inside the frame, and as soon as you match it, you have to turn a little bit to lock, and then everything goes back at the same place. And then we really test the pistol, put magazine to check if the hammer works. And if you stay with us, we are going to show you how we shoot at close distance, long distance, and extra long distance with this small Češka's Bloka CZ92 pistol in caliber 6.35 Bravo. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, let us test fire the CZ92 in 6.35 caliber Browning. Very compact, extremely compact weapon, slim. How does it work and what accuracy can we achieve from close distance, let's say like 3 meters? Load make ready with round in the chamber. And whenever you are ready, pull the rounds from the magazine. Up. Easy for accuracy. Не можа да затвори. Alright guys, we're going to test this CZ92 in 6.35 Browning. Nice, easy and tiny weapon, pistol, double action only, and I'm going to do it one-handed. A lot of fun shooting this. Difficult to hold it in my hands, and otherwise just point in, pull the trigger, and that's everything. Too small for my choice, but very interesting, and of course easy to carry, concealed in your pocket, in your bag. Very interesting, small, subcompact and slim weapon from Češka Zbrojovka. Thanks for watching. CZ92 from concealed carry. No round in the chamber, so we draw, load, point in and shoot 8 rounds. The whole magazine. Stand by. Okay, a little bit of malfunction and continue.